It wasn't long ago that we heard Apple was working on a new car, and now with an announcement in late 2021 that Tesla, being a car company, is working on a mobile phone, the lines are blurring. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at everything you need to know about the upcoming Tesla smartphone. Tesla appears to be preparing for a new launch, and it's unlike anything you'd anticipate if the phone called Model Pi is less priced than its competitors. Elon Musk, who was recently in the headlines for releasing a brand new Tesla Model X car with enhanced features, has launched a new business. It has been reported that Musk intends to release a Tesla Model Pi smartphone with intriguing features. According to many claims, this smartphone can even be utilized on Mars. Can you picture having a smartphone that works on Mars? Incredible. The smartphone will be outfitted with Starlink technology, allowing it to work fully on Mars. One of Elon Musk's most important endeavors is the Starlink technology, which is planned to be fully compatible with the next generation smartphone. What actually is the Tesla Model Pi? Though Tesla has previously built a range of automobiles and rockets, it has never developed a smartphone, which is why the Tesla Pi phone will be the next generation smartphone. Tesla Model Pi is essentially an upgraded and next-generation smartphone that EV maker Tesla is expected to debut soon, according to numerous reports. The phone will be equipped with innovative technologies that will allow it to function on Mars. Since the news broke, people all over the world have been wondering how it will appear, what will its requirements be, and so on. This post will provide answers to all of your questions. This next-generation sophisticated smartphone is also rumored to be a satellite smartphone that can operate in areas where standard Wi-Fi or 5G cannot. Tesla Model Pi specifications. This new tablet will include a bevy of cutting-edge features. It is also prevalent in nearly every country on the planet. In general, the device will be highly regulated. This means that if you use this gadget, the network system will work in the woods, mountains, and even on Mars. This is mostly due to the fact that this smartphone will be able to receive satellite network signals. Isn't it fantastic? Furthermore, it will satisfy all of the user's desires that standard smartphones cannot. Some of its remarkable features include specifications. The smartphone is believed to have a one-of-a-kind body covering that allows it to change colors. The hue of the body can be influenced by environmental factors. A quad camera and a front-facing camera on the screen are both rumored for the Model Pi. According to rumors, the cameras will be powerful enough to capture images of the Milky Way. The Tesla Model Pi includes 4 cameras and a color-changing skin in future generations. This device will also include a solar panel. Sunlight may charge your phone in as little as 30 minutes. It could have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 processor or higher, up to 2 TB of flash storage and a Super AMOLED display. The Model Pi could be charged using solar power. It may be charged simply by leaving it out in the sun. It may also be used to run your Tesla vehicle and as a remote control. Other features. Many reports claim that the Model Pi will contain an antenna that will connect it to Starlink, allowing it to function on Mars. According to sources, it would also have a download speed of up to 210 megabytes per second. According to reports, the Model Pi will communicate directly with the user's brain and behave accordingly. This smartphone is rumored to mine Mars Coin, a cryptocurrency. It will be used on Mars and will also function as a cryptocurrency wallet. Because satellite phones such as Theria and Iridium are already available, this smartphone will not be the first. It will, however, be the first smart satellite phone available to the general public. Model Pi smartphone, truth or rumor? Until now, you may have been aware that all of this information has been rumored and nothing has been confirmed. After Antonio De Rosa, an Italian graphic designer, presented the renderings of the Model Pi in a video on his YouTube channel, most of the rumors about the device began to circulate. People may, however, overlook its description. The designer made it clear in the description that it had nothing to do with Tesla. Furthermore, no formal information has been given on the subject, neither by Tesla nor by Musk. But you never know, it could be true because we all know Elon Musk is the king of surprises. Learn even more by taking a leaf from Apple's playbook. Although ADR released a complete conceptual image of a Tesla smartphone, codenamed the Model Pi or Model P, it was partly for entertainment, and partly to showcase ADR's design prowess. Designer Antonio De Rose and his ADR Studio Design Lab presented the concept of a Tesla phone in early 2021. They weren't just concept ideas. Is Tesla an excellent addition to a smartphone? There are rumors that Tesla is working on a smartphone. The concept images of the ADR appear a lot more inviting. But before we can go into its rumored features, there are a few things we need to think about with Tesla. It may appear strange to imply that Starlink is one of SpaceX and Elon Musk's most essential pet projects that will have a huge impact on phone usage. It is a fantastic addition to a Tesla smartphone. Imagine having a phone that can connect individuals on Mars. Their minds will be racing. Starlink's concept is to build a network of low-orbit satellites that will allow you to connect to the internet no matter where you are in the world. This will become increasingly beneficial over time. To incorporate native support in Tesla Mobile, Starlink has a long way to go. Elon Musk appears to be a no-brainer for Neuralink, but it's only a pipe dream as seen by the Model Pi. Neuralink is a brain-machine interface. Musk's company is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine connections to connect humans and computers. Is it the same as the iPhone? The neurotech company isn't even close to releasing consumer-level brain-machine interface products. And they must be consumer-level in order for Tesla phones to enable native connections. Imagine operating your phone with your mind rather than your hands. It's a game changer in the field of assistive technology. I made a rudimentary copy of the iPhone 12's 4-lens arrangements. The iPhone 12's back camera system has a maximum of 3 lenses, and no one knows what a Tesla phone might do. Cameras are frequently used to differentiate new flagship models, but Tesla may have other plans. But what about competing behemoths like Apple and Samsung, who have already established a cozy little nest in the market? Tesla may come and disrupt what it is, but it cannot be denied that Tesla and its CEO have better contacts with their customers, Musk followers, than nearly any other firm in the world can afford. You can't take a vacation on a Tesla or a Starship, but a Tesla phone will undoubtedly cost money. And reports suggest that the new phone will be less expensive than current phones on the market. Will solar charging be accessible for Tesla Pi phone? Tesla and Elon Musk recognize that your phone may run on solar energy, so using your phone as the central command equivalent of your car in the 21st century necessitates establishing a direct connection between the two, so that using a phone will allow you to reach your destination that a Model Pi smartphone is capable of. The driving force behind it is characteristic, which gives Tesla Mobile an advantage in solar charging with the correct attachment or cover. Many cell phones now support solar charging, with the idea being that you leave it in the sun and it partially recharges your battery in a more ecologically responsible manner, integrating native solar charging into the Model Pi. It's a lovely thought to think about, and it's a perfect match. There is one significant disadvantage of converting solar panels to solar panels that cannot be used. We don't think so, but it's possible that this new phone won't need a cover at all, or that it will introduce a range of solar-friendly covers as huge companies like Tesla do with the protection of their new phones. Biometrics is another frequent yet much desired feature. It's an apparent business-friendly alternative to Tesla phones. Investigate clever cameras for self-driving Tesla vehicles in order to develop a Face ID system and fingerprint unlocking. There are further options. There are numerous other outstanding problems, such as whether it has a SIM card, how much it costs to use Starlink on it every month, and whether one can get it without having to buy a Tesla. The Tesla phone will be released in late 2021, but no announcement will be made until November 2021. Its release date is currently unknown, but we believe it will be well worth the wait. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about Tesla's crazy Pi phone? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.